I'm supposed to be the scourge of everything, not the scourge of riding little ponies.
Ride a tiny pony!
I am not riding a tiny pony.
I did, it's crazy shit, man.
You did that. I did not.
I will ride a tiny pony.
You can go ahead and ride a tiny pony. Still, I'm taking you out to a fair.
Yes! We're going to a fair, damn it! Where are you?
Okay, fine. This is the portal right here,
Yes.
isn't it? I'm trying to go through it.
You just click it.
Click. There we go. I'm coming.
We can ride the Darkmoon Striders down.
I'm not riding that damn thing down. I'll ride my dragon.
Well, fuck you then. I'm riding the Flappy Bird.
You go ahead.
Hello.
Oh, it's just us.
Yeah. Nobody came in. Wimps.
Oh, alright. Screw it. Let's get out of this room.
Bunch of wimps.
You know, because I'm not staying in that room with you anyway. You have something that can one-hit kill me.
But we're party. We're partying. Why would I kill you in a party? Why would I want to kill you? I want to ride. I'm on the carousel.
It is my artifact weapon.
Dude, we got a minute.
1 minute.
We can dance with them. And I think some stuff happens if you dance with them. I don't remember though. Shit happens.
So we gotta come down here and dance.
If you dance with them when they show up.
You're not dancing, you're just jumping.
I'm waiting until they show up.
You're waiting till they're showing up. I'm just dancing now.
For some weird reason, I like to jump a lot. Oh my gosh, they're coming.
Let's dance.
The ground shaking is normal, by the way. I don't know. Oh, they got bouncers, man. I don't know if I can get through.
Never mind.
Oh, I can. They had bouncers, but the bouncers didn't do shit.
Shit, I'm coming up there. Let's do this.
Oh, it came up. I'm absorbing stuff. Uchi. Ready? There. It didn't work. What the fuck? Yep, this is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt.
Got him.
Literally just
Oh my
escaped
God.
death. Skin this shit. Give me the fucking leather, damn it. Yeah, it's that bad.
Okay, let's wait until we regenerate our health. More songs than just one.
More what?
There's different songs than just one.
For what?
Of the band.
No, I think it's only the one. Darken the world around you? Oh, I've never seen this.
Yeah, it says the Blightboard concert starts in 20.
What the fuck? Why is everything so dark?
What'd you drink?
One of the potions that she sells.
Yep. You're enveloped in darkness.
What would happen if I drink another one?
No.
Oh, it just give me another add-on, I guess. Everything's really dark.
Do you want to click on the add-ons and get rid of them?
I know. Ooh, there's these weird glittery things that are around the coast. Like this here. Do you see it?
Yeah.
I never know what it's about though. They're just randomly here. Ooh, I'm gonna ride the little weird mounts that they have here. They got tiny ponies, rams. I'm gonna ride a flippin' tiny pony. I got myself a tiny pony.
Wait a minute. There's a path leading to a cave. Follow me. Come on.
Oh, shit. I was Googling it. Oh!
Sorry, but
I
I
see it
think I
now.
found it.
Dude, I wasn't even...
I
didn't
yeah, I
even...
think I found them.
Sweet.
Yep, there's some rock and roll fingers up.
Okay.
So I think
I
I
went too
found
far.
them. Yep, I found them.
There.
Oh my god.
Is it really cool?
There's a lot of Forsaken here.
I'm auto-running it. I gotta...
Oh, I can put a mask on. I can put one of their masks on and listen.
Ooh. Blighthead supplies?
Yeah, you can
Ooh!
wear a mask.
Which one's the better one? Jackslaw? Ooh! we got... Ooh! They got glow-in-the-dark sticks! I'm getting some... Should I get purple or green?
Yeah, when you want.
I want
I'll
both.
grab some sticks too.
Okay, which one's the best mask? Which one did you get?
I didn't get any.
Get a mask.
Which
Grim
glow
smile.
stick did you get? Did you get the purple or the green?
I got both. Let me... Oh, there we go. Probably beer, right? I just bought a bunch of alcohol. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put on a mask. Oh,
This dude's doing something. 1 minute till Bloodcore takes the stage. Join us at the closure of Rock on the east side.
I got glow sticks.
Clearly, get in here.
Was he just trying to hit you or something?
Oh, I think this is it. Yeah, this is it.
Is it happening? I'm recording.
It's beginning. It's beginning.
I don't see how it. How do we know?
1 minute is just by. They're getting that it's coming. They just announced it too. 1 minute until it's time.
Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm ready. Somebody's behind us. 2 people behind us.
Why don't you put your daggers away? Now dance. Oh, the Torn Chieftains concert will begin in 30 minutes. Oh, here we go.
Producer. Oh.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Let's see what happens if you cheer at them.
Hail to the night.
Oh, nothing.
Oh, this time it's a girl singing. Oh, the Metal Knight's here.
Metal, death metal. Oh, shit. Dude.
Oh my god, it's a boss.
Oh, I took off my weapon. Dude, I had taken off my weapon. Dude, holy shit, that scared me, man.
Oh my god, he has 1,000,000 HP.
Dude.
Remember, back off if you have to.
Dude, I have my thing and it hasn't popped up yet.
Do it.
Oh! I died. Oh, I almost died. Ouch. Ouch, I need to back off for a minute. Shit. I'll come back. Shit. I didn't even know that was gonna happen, man.
We gotta beat him. We gotta get him.
I thought it was just I thought this was just a party, man. I came to a party.
I thought it was a party too until it was a boss fight. I didn't even.
You told me to take off my weapon, man.
No, I said put your weapons away. Don't take them off.
I took them off and put them in my bag, and suddenly a boss walks in.
God.
That was so dumb of me.
I didn't even know there was a boss.
I didn't. I was suddenly being
didn't even
attacked, and
know.
I'm like, holy shit!
Listen, I freaked out too.
I need to.
That's no wonder why they call him the Metal Knight. He's the true Knight of Metal.
Holy Jesus!
Is he still in there?
Yeah. They've only taken maybe a third of his health down, less than that even.
So he is a boss.
Oh, I'm gonna die again.
He is a boss. Yeah, he
Shit.
is the boss.
I died again. My durability is
Oh
gonna.
yeah, he's a legendary boss inside here.
Dude, I had no flipping clue.
I didn't either.
got it on tape too. I recorded
They're
us
getting
fucking
close.
up.
Oh crap, I'm in combat. Oh man.
Back off and just
Oh, they're
heal.
attacking the band. The Metal Knight's attacking the band.
Why is nobody else coming to help?
They don't know.
I'm just throwing stuff. Ouchie. Ouchie, wow, wow. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Backing off. Backing off. Damn it! Ah, ha, ha, ha. I'm dying way too much. Yep, you're about to die.
Yeah, we're gonna be dying a lot. He's a legendary boss.
Dude, I had no idea.
I didn't even know.
I thought it was just a party, man. I came with glow sticks and a mask and everything. I bought a shit ton of alcohol. I was gonna get shit faced.
I think he is a legendary boss, so he will be dropping something if we get him. If we get back there fast.
Get in here.
I can't grab anything.
Yeah, you should be.
I fit. Oh wait.
See?
What the hell did he drop? He dropped this stuff? Okay, I guess we can party now. Oop. What'd that guy say?
Something in Orcish. I don't.
Eh.
Now do we party? It's a good thing I bought enough glow sticks. What's this? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna turn into one of those things.
Turn into what?
Come here, come here. This is cool with the glow sticks. This looks cool. Come here, come here, come here,
I'm coming.
come here.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
The glow sticks. This looks rad. Rad as
You
fuck.
think that looks rad? Yeah, wait. Look at this one.
Where? Uh-huh.
I'm a tree.
I can be this.
Oh, I want to get that. Where'd you get that at?
I'm a tiny little elf. Bitches.
Well, can you do this?
No. I cannot. Got this one. And I got a cursed orb.
What? First orb.
You stare in it,
Oh.
you become a statue for like 20 seconds.
Oh boy. What else?
Hold on, I gotta wait till okay. And then I got this.
What the fuck? Must kill it.
I got a football.
Ah, you missed.
Oh, I can do this.
Oh.
You eavesdrop on the Legion with this. I honestly thought it'd be a bunch of garbage about them talking about like laundry or something, and it's just them talking about this shit. Devouring souls and yada yada.
I don't have anything else, and
Oh,
the last
oh.
of my stuff usually is for,
Ready to see this one? Ready to see this one? And watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this.
Oh, you dance like a goblin.
It's a personal hologram. It'll copy whatever I'm doing. Pull me. Look behind. Oh, you let go.
Come on, little Macy. Oh. Can you like revert back to your original form?
I can let go. I can stop the sleigh if you want.
No, I mean like if you can revert back to your original form, or are you stuck like that? Oh,
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, you're also like that too.
And apparently I feel a little mischievous because of the one toy. I have a chair, one too. The
This is kind
shroud.
of weird because, to be honest, people will be like, "What does this guy do? Why is he bullying this person?
Here, I'll tell you why.
Why?" Shit.
I might accidentally die though, so just so you know. Where are you? Okay. I don't know if you can glide on your thing. I think you can do something with yours too, but I'm not 100%. Whee! Do you see me going?
Oh, I can fly.
I'm gliding. I'm like the wind.